గణపతి పప్ప మోరియా.
గణపతి పప్ప
నవ్వు ఆపుకుంటున్నావు కదరా.
The worst thing of the Rhode Island trip was no one in the car knows how to connect CarPlay and we can't see the location, how to navigate through it. People here are eagerly waiting when the car will start and we can start the trip. I forgot to wear the seatbelt and the girl behind me, that is Prakya Dasari, is taunting me for not knowing how to wear a seatbelt.
Saidi is laughing on her own jokes.
The weather forecast said rain, but luckily it turned out to be a beautiful day. If you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. We have just arrived at the Pawtucket Falls. We were looking for a parking place and we have parked the car in front of the Pawtucket Falls parking area and it was free of cost. We are entering the Pawtucket Falls area, and for those who don't have any idea about the Pawtucket Falls, I will give you a bit of explanation about that. Pawtucket Falls is a part of Merrimack River and it's a popular spot for picnics, photography and just unwinding in nature. The atmosphere here is so lively and refreshing. The falls create a natural symphony that makes you feel at peace. This is also known as the birthplace of American manufacturing, and the boards cover you a lot of information, and this is how the water irrigation works. Plus the area is rich in history and scenic beauty. Pawtucket Falls is a hidden gem located in Lowell, Massachusetts, not too far from Boston.
Hi, this is Aditya Kanala. Is that
River Valley National Historic Park.
Yeah.
And if you can see, this is similar here. This water, that water, just color difference. Greenery, so it is green water everywhere. But here, I don't know why it is white.
sir, it's ready?
Greenery, so it is green water everywhere. But here, I don't know why it is white. And these are our helpless people. Ala road మీద కనిపిస్తే తీసుకొచ్చామా. రుత్విక్, ఆదిత్య వర్మ, హాయ్, మోహిత, యా, శిశ్వ, వాళ్ళిద్దరు ట్రై. వాళ్ళిద్దరు అక్కడ యూజ్లెస్ పీపుల్ వెళ్ళిపోతారు. హాయ్ హాయ్ అన్న.
With the sound of the falls in the background, it's the ideal setting for some relaxation and fun with friends.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo.
After a wonderful time at Pawtucket Falls, we are now heading to our next destination, Horshoe Falls in Charlestown, Rhode Island. Let's go. The drive to Charlestown is beautiful and the excitement is building as we get closer to Horshoe Falls. There is a heavy driver in the team who is Sishwa Reddy. Life is giving me chills and thrills and a lot of goosebumps before seeing her driving. I was impressed by her driving and she is not a heavy driver anymore. She is a good driver. We have almost arrived at Horshoe Falls and it looks stunning. The lush greenery and the serene water makes this place absolutely breathtaking. Horshoe Falls is a hidden gem in Charlestown. The horseshoe shape of the falls is unique and provides a perfect backdrop for photos. We were taking a walk around Horseshoe Falls, enjoying the beautiful views and the peaceful atmosphere. It's a great spot to relax and soak in nature. The weather in the US is unpredictable. As we were going to relax by the falls, it started raining, due to which we had change in plans and we were looking for a restaurant nearby. All of them started searching for restaurants and one we finalized was Arturo Joe's. The name is a bit difficult to pronounce, but yeah, We were going to have some Italian food in our lunch. The restaurant was about 6.6 miles from the location of Horshoe Falls. After seeing her drive, my heart was like, after that, she was driving smooth and improved a lot.
Heavy driver, heavy driver. Heavy driver.
We have arrived to Arturo Joe's. The food here is amazing. We ordered a variety of Italian dishes and it costed around $20 per person. Definitely worth it for the quality and taste. We enjoyed the food. Our bill was around $231 and our gratuity was around 18% of the total paycheck. That is around $35. We were off to the next location, that is the Nargansett Beach. The weather is still holding up, so it's perfect for some beach games. Nargansett Beach is lively and beautiful. We spent the afternoon playing volleyball, dodgeball, and even a game of kabaddi. Playing games on the beach was the highlight of our day. It's always fun to get competitive with friends in such a beautiful setting. The atmosphere is just perfect for a day out. The beach is bustling with people, the waves are crashing, and the sun is shining. It's going to be a fantastic day. Nargansett Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Rhode Island, known for its clean sands and vibrant atmosphere. It's a great spot for families, friends, and anyone looking to have a good time by the sea.
moments later.
Our next stop of the day is Beavertail State Park. This place is known for its stunning coastal views and the beautiful hiking trails. Let's check it out. Beavertail State Park, located at the southern tip of Jamestown, Rhode Island, is one of the most beautiful spots in the state. The park offers a unique combination of rocky shorelines, scenic views, and greenery, making it a perfect spot for outdoor enthusiasts. As we walk through the park, we are greeted by incredible views of the Atlantic Ocean. The cliffs and rocks along the coast make the view more dramatic and breathtaking. It's also famous for wildlife. We saw all kinds of birds and beautiful wildflowers along the way. It's a great place for nature lovers. One of the coolest spots in the park is the Beavertail Lighthouse. It's super old, built in 1856, and the views from here are amazing. We took some great photos. After a long day, sitting by the ocean and listening to the waves is so relaxing. Watching the sunset at Beavertail is the perfect ending to our adventure. The park's peaceful vibe and beautiful scenery made our day unforgettable. The Newport Bridge offers stunning views of the water and the surrounding area. It's a beautiful drive and sets the perfect mood for our next adventure. Our next stop is the famous cliff walk in Newport, Rhode Island. This is a must-see for anyone visiting the area. The cliff walk is a 3.5-mile scenic trail along the eastern shore of Newport. The trail offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and passes by some of the Newport's most famous mansions. We have arrived at the cliff walk. This place is a beautiful combination of natural beauty and the stunning architecture of Newport's historic mansions.
This is 40 steps. You can see 40 names of dead people.
Why they die?
Why they die? They are martyrs. Yeah, they came to see sunrise, sunset, but
They jumped.
yeah, jumped off. You can see the gate as well. Special focus on girls. They're wasting our time in the whole trip. Only photos, no other work. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Never, a pro tip, never go on trip with girls. Is the experience.
No, it's not. Like, of course.
Selfie, Malin. Right side, I got. Ready.
After our walk, we were all pretty hungry, so we headed to an Indian restaurant called India Restaurant for dinner. Let's dig in. This Indian restaurant has a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for winding down after a day of adventure. We ordered a variety of dishes and everything was delicious. From spicy curries to fresh naan, it was a great way to end our day. After dinner, it was time to head home, but the fun didn't stop. We had a little karaoke session in the car. And that's a wrap on a Rhode Island adventure. From exploring beautiful parks to enjoying delicious food, it was a day to remember. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next video.